What to do, you guys? It's so late at night right now. I'm crazy as fuck. I literally have to just wash this off right now, but I don't want to because it came out so pretty. I had a lot of fun doing this look, and that is mainly because I got a new palette today. You guys, I ordered this palette Monday and it came today, so by Wednesday. So it was only a couple days that I had to wait for it, and when I show you this palette, I know you're gonna be jealous because I had to get my hands on this one. It's the Carli Bybel palette, you guys. I got her collaboration with ABH and I love it. It's such a pretty palette. Like I said, I saw her video where she talked about the release of this palette, and then she swatched all the shades in it right when it went up for sale Monday morning. I was there stalking the page and I got it. I'm actually pretty impressed with the delivery of how fast it was. Like I said, I only waited 2 days and I didn't pay for express shipping or anything. It just came pretty fast, and I don't know if it's because I ordered it like right when they put it up for sale, but yeah, I got it pretty fast and I'm really excited because I got to play with it in time to show you guys. So maybe if you were on the fence, or even if you didn't know she had a new collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills, now you know, and hopefully you get excited. Carli did not disappoint. Like, come on. Look at all those pretty shades. They went on like butter, like perfect. I love the formula of these. I never had an ABH palette before, so I didn't know what to expect, but I knew that it was gonna be amazing and I had to get it, and I'm happy I did. So yeah, you guys. I felt like I needed some gloss. I just wanted to share with you my opinion on the palette. I guess you guys can see for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I got this look, and while we're here, you guys might as well subscribe, you know, help me out. I want to know if you guys like these type of videos, if anyone's watching these videos. Yeah, you guys, show me the love. You're here, might as well hook your girl up with that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you guys know when I upload. I upload weekly, so there's always new things to come. We can be besties and just chill and talk about makeup and fun things. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys how I got this eye look. I just took it out of the packaging, which the packaging is beautiful. It's just like the same as the palette, and it has like that 3D texture to it too. I thought that was pretty cool, and it's just so cute and girly. Ooh, it comes with a brush. When you open up the palette, it looks like this. You guys, how freaking beautiful is that? I just love every color in here. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys. The first shade is Bali. Oh, I messed up already. And these aren't gonna be perfect, like I'm already fucking them up.
I'm obsessed, like what?
I really want to get into the eyeshadows now. I'm tired of looking at myself like this without the eyeshadow or eyelashes or anything. Like, it just looks so not put together. I'm gonna take this plastic off. My biggest obsession is taking plastic off of mirrors. Like, you know when like you get a brand new TV and it has that plastic film on it? Who else gets a thrill taking that plastic off? Like, I live for it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get into this. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Oh, go ahead and dip into... I'm gonna use this Moda crease brush to pick up the color Cindy. I'm gonna pat that onto my crease. So right away I noticed that there's such great pigment in this palette. I really didn't think that this color was gonna be this pigmented, but I really like it. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and start to blend Cindy a little bit. So you just wanna make sure that nothing looks harsh. Oh my god, you have no idea how much I love this color. I just want to refresh Cindy one more time. Like, you know, just bring back the vibrancy of that color. It's such a pretty shade, you guys. Whenever I do my makeup, I definitely gravitate towards these types of tones like corals, peaches. That's definitely right up my alley. So I have Cindy laid in my crease. What do you guys think? I am obsessed with this color. It makes me think of cantaloupe. So I'm gonna place Try right below that first transition shade. Try is just right here, right next to Cindy. And again, I'm just gonna make sure that I'm patting that color down and then blending afterwards. It's just so much easier that way. I just thought it was like more tedious to do my eyeshadow before I started doing it this way. So you guys should try it out. If eyeshadow's not your thing, just because you feel like you can't get the right technique down, try patting that shade in and then work on blending it after you laid it down into the general shape that you want it to look like on your eye. Like I said, it's just a little bit easier and more manageable. So again, I'm gonna take Chai and I'm gonna place it just right under Cindy. I'm gonna zoom in a tiny bit more. Okay, so we put that down. Honestly, it isn't as big of a contrast as I'd like it to be. So I might go in with a different color. I'm gonna try mixing Chai with a little bit of Bybel, and Bybel is on the top row. It's that second shade in the palette right here. Hopefully I'll get that contrast that I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna go back to that first Moda brush that we used, and I'm gonna dip back into Cindy, and I'm just gonna work on blending this out. This bigger, fluffier crease brush is definitely gonna help me get the blend on top that I'm looking for. I really like to just go back and forth and intensify them to my liking. Alright guys, I'd say that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease right now and then we'll step it up a little bit. I'm of course gonna use my Infallible Full Wear. My favorite concealer, hands down. Like, I freaking love this concealer, honestly. I'm just gonna take Bybel and Chai, and then I'm gonna go ahead and trace right over that line. Just like so. And this helps a lot, you guys. It just helps make it look a lot more crisp, cleaner. Oh my god, it looks so much better cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same brush that I've been using to pick up Cindy. And then I'm gonna take that Anastasia brush that they included with the palette, and I'm gonna dip into Bare. Now this is what we're looking at. I don't know. I really struggled. It's really late at night though. I got really faded before this, so but that's what I like to do, you guys. I like to smoke and then play with makeup. Like, that's my thing. That's my happy place. We're just gonna roll with it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I was contemplating two different shades. I don't know, you guys. Do we see, are we thinking Aura or Moon? Like, I'm so torn. I think I'm gonna do Aura. I'm always doing like gold shade, so I'm gonna go with Aura. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wet this brush. Oh my god, how perfect is that? Like, honestly, I'm fangirling over this shade right now. So I'm going back in with Bybel and Chai, and I'm just freshening that crease up. Tell me that's not a gorgeous lid color. I'm gonna go back to that JH37 Morphe brush, and I'm gonna dip into Bowie, and this is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm tapping it on the outer corner of my eye. So that's what we're looking like. I'm gonna go back to my fluffy crease brush, and I'm just gonna work on blending that out. I love makeup so much. It really can change your mood. It definitely can increase your confidence. I feel pretty good about that. Do you guys love it? I do. So I'm just gonna do some final touches now, you guys. I'm actually gonna go into Bali. So this first shade right here. And I'm gonna use it for a highlight. So I'm gonna top off the highlight that I have on my nose already. We're gonna intensify that. And then we're gonna go on the inner corner. I am done. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I really love it. For my first Anastasia eyeshadow palette, I really love the formula, and I love what Carli did with her collection. It's girly and glamorous. Like, I just love this palette so much. I know it's gonna be one of my go-tos. Like, I'm gonna be reaching for this so much. I just already know. And based off this look alone, I had so much fun playing with it. You guys, it's so late at night that I know I'm gonna have to wash this off just right now, and I don't want to. Like, I'm so sad about it. Let me know down below if you guys like to smoke and then play with your makeup too, because that's totally me. Let me know if you guys are the same. And are you guys gonna get this palette too? I feel like you should. I definitely feel like you should, because you're gonna get so many good looks out of this. Let me know down below if you end up getting it. And I want to see the looks that you guys create too. I want some inspiration on different looks that I can do with the palette, so let me know what you guys end up doing with it. Congrats to Carli on her collaboration. You guys, I'm super tired now. I hope you guys have a nice day, a nice weekend. It's only Wednesday, so I'm not sure when this is gonna go up, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be over the weekend. So I hope you guys have a great weekend and don't do anything I wouldn't do.